Hi friends, Right Careers welcomes you to another brand new video for this week. This is S. Sudarshan, your career coach. Right, this week we have taken a very burning topic, I should say. Yes, this is summers and it's scorching heat outside, right? So we have also thought that we will take a burning topic not only for the students but also for the parents to address. We'll be discussing about mathematics in our daily lives and the practical usage of mathematics in daily walks of our life. So that's going to be the topic for this week. Now, before we get on to how mathematics is practically used in all our walks of lives, we will see how maths is perceived today. Now, as children, we all grew up to statements like, maths is a very important subject that's required throughout your life. If you don't do well in maths, you might not do well in your life. Maths is a centum scoring subject and therefore do well in maths. So these are some of the common statements that we have grown, and even today's children are being grown like that for practical reasons. And we have faced daunting theories, riders, calculus, that is differential or integral calculus, the algebras, the trigonometry, whatever it is. We all studied without knowing the purpose of that, right? Most of the students who study maths will not even know where maths is applied or where maths is used. Amidst all these things, right, the beauty of the subject is actually lost because we study or we look at mathematics either from a scoring perspective or from a perspective of difficulty. For most of the students, it's a difficult subject, right? So amidst all these things, the beauty of a subject is lost. Trust me, it's a beautiful subject if you understand. So it is a duty for people like us to demystify that myth and make maths an even better subject or option to choose with. Right? Before we look at the practical implications of maths, we will see what is maths, or rather what mathematicians do. Now, mathematician is someone who recognizes a real-time world problem, and problem could be anything, and find a pattern to derive a solution. So that's exactly what a mathematician do. Analyze the problem, find a pattern to give a solution so that we all follow that pattern. That's mathematics. So they are motivated purely by problem solving skills, and that's exactly what they do, problem solving skills. And it takes time. It's not a one-day profession. The problem solving could happen in years together, months together, weeks together. So it's a longevity profession that involves quite a lot of research and development. That's exactly a very short snip about what mathematicians do. We will now see some of the practical implications in our daily walks of life as to how the mathematics as a subject impacts our daily walks of life. The first impact that it can create for a common man is mathematics is definitely good for brain. Right now, we all do physical activities, right? We go to gym, we go for fitness centers, we go to yoga, we practice meditation, quite a lot of things we do. All these are for external purposes or either for internal engineering, but we don't do something or anything rather for brain. Now that's exactly what maths can do. If you solve small riddles, small trivias, it keeps your brain fresh and fit. Therefore, understanding of maths or usage of maths will keep your brain fit or brain fresh for years together. So that's the first advantage or first practical implication of mathematics in daily life. The second practicality of usage of maths is it helps you plan your finance. You can be in any profession. You can be a painter, you can be a carpenter, you can be a cinematographer or chartered accountant, whatever it is. But you have to plan your finances, your monthly billing, monthly budgeting. For example, you get 50,000 rupees as salary. You will have to budget to allocate the budget, right? You usually say you give X amount to family, you spend X amount for yourselves, you spend X amount for rent. All these are budgeting, and that's nothing but numbers. Which is nothing but mathematics. Even when you deposit your savings, your simple interest or compound interest or recurring deposit interest or FD, it's all number based. Therefore, mathematics helps you in finance purpose for you personally also. That's the second practical advantage of understanding or studying maths. Third practical advantage of studying maths is every career uses maths. It can be any career. You can be engineers, which is a natural mathematics oriented stream. You can be in accounting, which is once again a natural number oriented course. Blue collared work, HR, for example, uses mathematics to calculate the salary, to calculate the loss of pay, to calculate the leave salary, whatever it is. So every walk of life, be it blue collar, white collar, mathematics is very, very important. So every career whichever career that you choose, maths is definitely involved. And if you think maths is not used in some of the subjects, you're wrong. So mathematics is virtually there everywhere. That's the third practical advantage. The fourth practical reason as to why maths is important is very light reason. Maths makes you a better cook. You might wonder what is the difference or proportion between mathematics and cooking. Definitely there. See, all recipe you need to put, whatever recipe that you put, need some kind of ingredients, right? Now the measurement part, this amount of sugar, this much amount of salt, this much amount of tamarind, all these things are calculated maths. So mass cooking actually needs mathematics, measurement basically. And even if you're a baker, the ratio and proportion that you would have studied in school days will come into picture. What is the kind of ratio of mixture or combination that you need to put to make a cake is nothing but mathematics, right? So as per Math Central, it's a renowned online source. Mathematics exists in every recipe in the world. So every recipe that you make or every ingredient that you put to make a recipe involves mathematics. So that's the fourth practical advantage of understanding or studying maths. The fifth practical understanding reason as to why someone should pursue maths is it definitely makes you understand the world better. See, you think maths is only human based? No. Every natural activity is math oriented. Animals and insects use maths for their daily living. For example, an animal like a spider, which constructs web for their living. Spider constructs webs, right? What is that? It's mathematics. Bees building hexagonal combs, mathematics. Ants walking like this in a row, mathematics. So basically, maths is not used only by humans. It's also used by animals. It's also used by insects, nature. Therefore, you understand maths, you understand the world better. That's the fifth practical reason. The sixth practical reason is maths helps in your fitness also, your personal physical fitness. We saw about brain fitness, even your physical fitness. I'll tell you how. Things like walking, you measure number of kilometers that you drive. Definitely you measure, right? How many number of reps that you take in push-ups, numbers, mathematics. How many number of walking minutes that you do in a treadmill, mathematics. Calorie intake, calorie burning, what are those? Those are once again mathematics. So that's the sixth practical reason as to how maths is used in your personal life. That is nothing but maths for fitness. The seventh reason that I can think of as to how maths helps you personally is it acquires good qualities in your life. Some of the qualities like reasoning, a strong power of reasoning, problem solving ability, creativity, abstract thinking. These are some of the traits if you are good at mathematics. So these are some great traits as in when you move on in your life. And those can be easily acquired if you pursue or if you show interest in mathematics. Finally, the last reason that I can think of is that mathematics by itself is a great career option. You can be a great mathematician, statistician. If you want to study machine learning, which is the trending subject, career today. What is machine learning? Involves quite a lot of mathematics, calculus especially, data analyst, statistician, and then you got economics. It involves a lot of mathematics, marketing research. Now all these are maths oriented, number oriented career that you can flourish. You can take and then get flourished. Right? So these are some of the 8 reasons that we thought we can do well if you take mathematics seriously in your career. Now remember, maths is merely not a subject. It is a daily routine that's inside us. Now we all live in a VUCA world, right? VUCA stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Now in this VUCA world, maths will remain non-VUCA. If you are good at maths, you can overcome this VUCA and move on in your life. With this, I would like to conclude this week's topic by re-emphasizing the importance of maths. Once again, if you think maths is not going to help you in practical life, no. Hope you all would have enjoyed watching this video. For all the viewers watching this video, wherever you are in the country, happy Yugadi, happy Baishaki, happy Vishu, happy Poila Boishak, Bihu, and finally, Tamil, Iniya Tamil, Puttandu Varthukal to everybody who is watching. Thank you so much for listening to all the videos and giving a constructive feedback. Do subscribe to my channel, which is www.youtube.com/writecareers. Until next Monday with a brand new video. Take care. Thank you so much. Happy week.